on to another significant piece of news, this time coming from the Supreme Court. And this is a very significant order indeed as far as the Supreme Court is concerned. It's refused to blame the Election Commission of India for the stress or the work pressure related deaths of BLOs. Now, this is an issue that the opposition in particular has been highlighting for a long time now. However, the court has raised serious concerns over these deaths and suicides nevertheless, saying that it's ultimately the responsibility of the state governments to provide adequate staff and replace those who are unwilling to work. The bench has now directed state governments to increase the workforce proportionately and reduce the workload and ensure working hours are reasonable. Let me go across to my colleague Harish, who's getting us all the details now of this very important order. So the Supreme Court not in a position, not willing, Harish, to blame the Election Commission. It's placed the responsibility on state governments across the country to ensure that there are enough resources allocated for the exercise of the SIR, which is a special intensive revision for which BLOs have been tasked with these responsibilities. Take us through the details.
Yes, Siddharth, let me put things into perspective for the benefit of our viewers. Remember, the Supreme Court bench led by the new Chief Justice of India, Suryakant, was hearing a batch of petitions filed by state governments and also opposition party leaders in the states, like TVK had moved, also the Stalin government had moved. In fact, Senior Advocate Gopal Shankar Narayanan, who had represented the TVK and also argued for the against the SIR in Tamil Nadu, said that till now 35 to 40 BLOs have died due to stress or have committed suicide across the country. And he also said that notices were being issued by the Election Commission of India against BLOs who are not meeting the targets, threatening imprisonment ranging from 3 months to 2 years. And recently there was a case where a youngster was not allowed to go for his own marriage and he committed suicide. And a battery of lawyers, Kapil Sibal, Gopal Shankar Narayanan, Prashant Bhushan, urged vehemently, asked the Supreme Court to issue notice to the Election Commission of India and seek an explanation. But the Chief Justice saying that this is a lawful exercise. We have also earlier told that the Election Commission is competent to undertake the SIR. Therefore, it is a duty, there's an obligation on the state governments to help the Election Commission of India. They have an obligation to provide adequate staff to the Election Commission of India. If now we are giving...
Okay, Harish, I just need to interrupt you for a moment now because we have Mr. Tausif Rahman of the Trinamool Congress also joining us. West Bengal is one of those states where, of course, we've seen instances of suicide as well as deaths of BLOs, and the TMC has been bringing this up very aggressively. Mr. Rahman, how do you see what the Supreme Court has said? Because the Supreme Court is not willing to blame the Election Commission for this. They've instead placed the responsibility on state governments to ensure that BLOs have a comfortable environment to work in, that there is adequate staff and resources allocated for this exercise. What's your view on this?
Good afternoon, sir. Sir, first of all, this is an unplanned SIR. We are not against SIR. We are not against any process which is constitutional. People will not forgive EC, sir. People will not forgive BJP. The way they have tortured our people staying in Bengal. Today we have to identify ourselves. 40 plus people have died so far, sir. And these jokers have the audacity to say, oh, this is because of SIR. I mean, of course, this is because of SIR. Modi, Amit Shah and Ganesh is responsible for all this mayhem. Now, you will come up and say nothing happened in Bihar. People in Bihar don't even know what actually happened. BJP says that एक भी तो complaint नहीं आया कोई court में. जिनके पास खाने का पैसा नहीं वो Supreme Court जाएंगे. You tell me. I mean, don't you say every time that it's happened smoothly in Bihar? No, not at all, sir. Nothing happened smooth in Bihar. They took away the right of the Biharis and the result is in front of the world. And tell me, how come the BJP leaders estimate the number of names will be cut? How do they estimate कि 1.5 crore कटने वाला 1 crore कटने वाला?
So
it is a sheer
the issue here is about the workload of the BLOs who have been now tasked with the responsibility of undertaking this entire SIR exercise in at least 12 states. Now they've been tasked with that responsibility. the ball is in very much in the courts of Mamata Banerjee as well as all the other chief ministers of these respective states to allocate adequate staff so that this exercise can be conducted smoothly. That's the moot point here. Let me take this across to Mr. Anurag Bhadoria as well, because the state of Uttar Pradesh is also one of those states where the BLOs are undertaking this exercise. Mr. Bhadoria, Supreme Court ने साफ-साफ कह दिया है कि इलेक्शन कमीशन को हम ब्लेम नहीं कर सकते. ये स्टेट सरकारों की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि बीएलओस का काम आसान किया जाए, ज्यादा स्टाफ एलोकेट किया जाए, ज्यादा लोगों को इस टास्क में बेसिकली एम्प्लॉय किया जाए. आप क्या कहेंगे जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा उसके बारे में?
तो यही तो सवाल इतनी दिनों से विपक्ष उठा रहा था कि बीएलओ के ऊपर में वर्क प्रेशर है, जल्दी में है, जल्दी एसआईआर कराना है. आखिर जल्दी क्यों कराना है? अगर जल्दी कराना है तो फिर केंद्र सरकार और राज्य सरकार अपनी जिम्मेदारी से क्यों भाग रही है? उनको भी इस चीज को एश्योर करना चाहिए और चुनाव आयोग को बताना चाहिए कि हमारे पास अभी स्टाफ उतना है नहीं जैसे कि मैं जल्दी से एसआईआर करा पाऊं. तो क्या राज्य सरकारों ने चुनाव आयोग से ये मांग की कभी कि मेरे पास स्टाफ की कमी है या हम इतनी जल्दी एसआईआर नहीं करा पाएंगे, हमें समय की जरूरत होगी क्योंकि मैन पावर हमारे पास उतना ज्यादा नहीं है? कि स्टेट गवर्नमेंट में या सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ने चुनाव आयोग से बोला? नहीं बोला. क्यों नहीं बोला? क्योंकि ये मिल के काम कर रहे हैं, तो बोलेंगे कैसे? बोलना चाहिए था ना राज्य सरकार को. राज्य सरकार उत्तर प्रदेश की सरकार को बोलना चाहिए था चुनाव आयोग को कि बीएलओ जो सुसाइड कर रहे हैं या बीएलओ की जो मौत हो रही है वर्क प्रेशर से परेशान है, तो वो हमारे पास पर्याप्त संसाधन नहीं है और हम इतनी जल्दी नहीं करा पाएंगे. तो ये तो दोनों मिलके करा रहे थे ना, जल्दी हो जाए जिससे कि जो लोग छूट जाए, जो लोग का बन जाए. मतलब मन में कोई तो चोर होगा ना. अब तो माननीय सर्वोच्च न्यायालय ने भी बोला है
एसआईआर का जो एक्सरसाइज है, जो काम है, उस पर कोई रोक नहीं लगाया गया है. सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने भी टाइमिंग के बारे में कुछ बोला नहीं है. सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने स्टे नहीं इश्यू किया है. सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने ये भी नहीं बोला है कि जल्द से जल्द काम हो रहा है तो इसके ऊपर थोड़ा टाइम और देना चाहिए. ये सारी चीजें सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कही नहीं है. सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने केवल ये कहा है कि जितने भी राज्य सरकार इस एक्सरसाइज को ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हैं उनको सारे रिसोर्सेज डिप्लॉय करने होंगे. जिम्मेदारी उनकी है कि वो स्टाफ एलोकेट करें.
माननीय सर्वोच्च न्यायालय ने जब ये बोला है कि आप पर्याप्त स्टाफ दीजिए, तो इसका मतलब साफ जाहिर होता है कि वो सवाल उठा रही है सरकार पे. माननीय सर्वोच्च न्यायालय ने सवाल उठाया है सरकार पे कि सरकार ऐसी क्यों हड़बड़ी में थी, क्यों जल्दी में है, क्यों उन पे इतना प्रेशर डाल रही है. अब ये राज्य सरकार की जिम्मेदारी बनती है कि वो चिट्ठी लिखे चुनाव आयोग को कि हमारे पास अभी पर्याप्त संसाधन नहीं है, हम इतनी जल्दी नहीं करा पाएंगे.
ओके,
यही तो हुआ इसका मतलब.
बिल्कुल.
तो चुनाव
ये केवल उत्तर प्रदेश के बारे में बात नहीं हो रही है. इंडिया ब्लॉक के भी काफी स्टेट्स हैं जिनकी जिम्मेदारी इस मामले में बनती है. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया हमसे जुड़ने के लिए मिस्टर भदौरिया. विल सी एज टू हाउ ऑल द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट्स नाउ where the SIR is being undertaken respond to what the Supreme Court has said. We'll take a short break. We'll continue with our coverage on the other side.